In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create letterhead in Microsoft Excel. We're going to place professional letterhead text in the printable header area so it appears automatically at the top of every page you print. It's quick, clean, and keeps your worksheet content separate from your branding. Begin by moving to the ribbon at the top of Excel and selecting the View tab. This tab controls how your sheet is displayed and gives you access to the view that shows exactly how your pages will print. With the View tab open, choose Page Layout. As soon as you switch, your grid becomes full pages with visible margins. At the very top of each page, you'll see a header area divided into 3 sections: left, center, and right. This is the space reserved for your letterhead, and it will repeat across all printed pages. Click directly in the header area and start typing your letterhead. A common approach is to place an organization or personal name on the first line, followed by a concise address or a short tagline on the next line. Keep it brief and readable so it fits comfortably without crowding the top margin. Press Enter to add line breaks as needed. If you want a traditional look, type in the center section. For a more formal or minimal style, use the left or right section to line your text up with the page edge. As you type, you can format the text for a professional hierarchy. Select your header text and choose a clean, legible font. Make the primary name a bit larger, then use a smaller size for supporting details. You can adjust font, size, color, and alignment from the Home tab while the header is active. Subtlety is key. Aim for strong contrast and keep styling simple so it prints clearly on both color and black and white printers. You're seeing a live print style view, so take a moment to scroll. The header should repeat on subsequent pages. If anything wraps to an extra line unintentionally, tighten the wording or slightly reduce the font size so everything sits neatly within the header space. Once your letterhead looks right, continue working on the sheet below. The header stays anchored at the top and won't interfere with your cells, making it perfect for letters, invoices, or reports built in Excel. You can keep working in Page Layout view for a true-to-print perspective or switch back to your usual view later. Your letterhead remains in place either way. And that's it. You now have a simple, reusable letterhead in Excel that delivers a consistent, polished look every time you print.